form, and if you have any queries regarding this, sir will explain to you. Amit sir will explain for your queries, and any queries, students? First of all, no queries. Okay, then I will forward to Amit sir and Amit sir.
How was the session delivered by Radha ma'am? How many are from Haryana or Punjab or from any state of India? How much are from Punjab? Anyone from Haryana? Only 2 or 3. You are from?
Haryana and Punjab both.
Haryana and Punjab both. Good. So it's my humble request to everyone to kindly register with Ratri, because so many patients, so many children who are from thalassemia, who are patient of thalassemia, anemia, leukemia, blood cancer, and 100 types of blood disease. So they are in wait of us. If you are matched with them, then you can save the life of a patient who is suffering from thalassemia, anemia. According to the report of ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, every year 1.5 lakh youth are suffering from thalassemia, and they died before the age of 20 years. So it's my again humble request to kindly register with Datri for a noble cause. And if anyone have any query regarding the registration, so you can tell me about your queries so I can solve the queries. And kindly, it's my again humble request to everyone, please register with Datri. And in last, ख्वाब ख्याल ख्वाहिशें रह खामोश मुकम्मल कर जाएंगे, बन रहे हैं बनते बनते कुछ न कुछ बन जाएंगे। तो आइए और बनिए सुपर हीरोज़ और किसी की ज़िंदगी बचाने के लिए अगर हम आगे आते हैं तो मैं सैल्यूट करता हूँ हर एक उस युवा को जो इस नोबल कॉज के लिए हमारे साथ आएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Blood stem cell, right? For a to receive this blood, and most of those patients are from Punjab and Haryana, so they are in very need. Okay, most of those patients are under 2 years old. So I request everyone to fill this form if you are interested. So just you need to fill your details. Okay, in the bottom you need to write your name and fill your details. No need to write any transaction details.